a quick video on how companies manipulate and save themselves from the calculation of depreciation. So in the last video that was of manipulation, we learned that even if we classify those expenses as capital expenses, we will be paying off depreciation on them. But what is the when do we not pay depreciation on assets? That is when it is a current asset. And right here you can see the definition of current asset. This is a lawful definition. Okay, is intention for sale or consumption in the company's normal operating cycle. Hence, people exploit this word right here, that is intention. And yeah, so intentions are based on judgments and they are biased. So what if the company says that it is, suppose we made that entry in the furniture account, right? Now what if the company doesn't want to charge the depreciation, and what if the company says that its intention is to sell those furniture in the coming 12 months because those furniture are not up to the latest industry standards or are not modern furnitures, and they are degrading the looks of the office. Hence it will be treated as current asset because they are intending to sell those furnitures. It will not be treated as non-current assets, that is fixed asset, so no depreciation will be charged. So this is very important role while auditing or while checking any accounts, that is segregating current asset and fixed asset properly. Although most of the companies do something in it, that is, yeah. So yeah, this was the one that I wanted to tell you, that is intention is what differentiate between current asset and fixed asset, and this is a loophole in the law which can be easily manipulated and is generally manipulated. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. Good day.